We talked to a Jackson State track runner from Jamaica. Fabian Campbell is at a track meet in Florida while his family is preparing for the hurricane at home.
I'm a little nervous, but I think they know. I believe they're going to be okay.
Fabian says he's been able to stay in touch with his family so far. Like people around the world, he's watching the news as Melissa approaches. Fabian also prays they have all the supplies necessary before the power goes out.
You know, I usually stock up on food, make sure they phone charge to like communicate with family members. Also, we usually like, you know, the awnings. We usually put on the awnings so the rain don't get in as much. Also, we use board and cover all the windows.
Now, Fabian says the last time Jamaica faced a direct hit from a hurricane, he was a child.